Hey friends, Stephanie here. I am partnering with Cricut today to show you how you can make any regular gathering feel like a party in some super easy steps. I'm going to use the magic number 3 to show you how you can tie in some fun elements and keep things streamlined and easy for yourself. We're going to be using 3 materials: sticker paper, regular cardstock, and adhesive cardstock. We're going to be doing 3 functions with the Cricut. We're going to do print and cut and draw. Then I also have 3 elements that I'm going to be repeating throughout the designs: Eiffel Tower images, the colors pink and black, and a black and white striped pattern. I'll be showing you how to make things like cute bottle wraps and stickers to put on napkins and lots of other things. Check the description for links to everything that I'm using, and let's jump into Design Space and get started. I'll be making stickers to use on napkins and cups. This image will be on bottle wraps and straws, and these will be flags to put onto toothpicks. First, I'll find 2 Eiffel Tower images. This one with the bow for the sticker, and this one to draw with a pen. With this image selected, click the Offset tool and adjust the slider to 0.125 and click Apply. With the offset layer selected, click Contour and click the small triangle to remove it. This way there's no inside cut on the final sticker. Change the color to white, select the bow and the tower and the offset, and click Flatten. Now it will print and only cut around the white outline. I've already measured my actual items, so I want 2.8 inches tall for the napkin sticker and 2 inches tall for the cup sticker. For this Eiffel Tower design, the pen and cut layers are grouped, but I need to attach them. For the bottle wrap, I want 2.4 inches tall, and for the straws, I want 2 inches tall. For the rectangle of the wrap, I'll just add a square shape and change the size to 7.7 inches wide and 1.7 inches tall. You'll want to measure your drink bottles first and make sure it fits, and then edit if needed. The flags will be folded around toothpicks, so I added a diamond shape from the Shapes menu and made them 4 inches wide. Then I made a second one and changed it to pink, so it'll be easy to cut these out on 2 different colors of cardstock. Duplicate everything as many times as you need and send to cut. Edit the print so it will print in best quality. I put a little more space between each of the diamonds. They will cut out more reliably if there's some space between them. Cricut will scan the corners of the print then cut, and then cut the stickers. For the drawn Eiffel Towers, make sure to insert the pen into clamp A. These Eiffel Towers took quite a while to draw because it would do a few straight lines of one and then move to another one so the first set could dry. So just be aware that if you are drawing, sometimes it can take a lot longer than you think. But it's always worth it, and it's super fun to watch it happening. For the adhesive backed paper, it's the right size to cut on a Cricut Joy without a mat, but I can still put it on a mat and cut it with any machine. Now you can watch me put everything together. I started with the stickers, and I put them on napkins and cups. For the napkins, I just peeled off a sticker and put it on the bottom right corner of a napkin, and then repeated until I had several done. And then for the cups, I just put one on the side and just kind of tried to center it in the side of the cup. And of course, you can add them to other stuff too. For the bottle wraps, it's already sticky, but regular paper can also be used, just taped around the back. After you do the first bottle, it's helpful to set it next to the additional bottles you're going to do so that the wraps get positioned pretty much in the exact same spot as the first one that you did. And then I'm sandwiching 2 of these around some straws that I'm going to stick into donut holes, kind of like a little cake pop. The diamonds get folded around the top of toothpicks, just like this. Of course, for the adhesive-backed paper, it sticks right to itself super easily. Go a little bit slowly to make sure that the points and the edges match up nicely. And a tape runner works great with regular cardstock too. And then even to save yourself some time, you don't need to put a flag or a decoration on every single straw or every single toothpick. You'll see that just sprinkling them throughout makes a big difference in how the table looks. Now we're going to use all of our decorated items to dress up the food and the table. So this is fun, right? It's perfect for anything that you want to just turn into feeling like a party. Book club, a movie night, a baby sprinkle, a grad dinner. Can you think of anything else? Leave your ideas or questions in the comments, and I can't wait to hear what you're going to make with your Cricut. Like the video and send it along to someone who would love these ideas too, and I will see you in the next video. Bye.